Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the causes of infertility. So let's get started. Infertility is a growing concern among couples who are trying to conceive. Many people assume that pregnancy happens easily, but for some, it takes longer than expected. If you have been trying for a baby for over a year without success, there could be underlying causes affecting fertility. So let's understand the reasons behind infertility in both men and women. First, we will discuss the causes of infertility in women. One of the most common causes of infertility in women is hormonal imbalance. As you know, hormones play a major role in ovulation and the menstrual cycle, and conditions like PCOS can lead to irregular ovulation, making it difficult to conceive. And women with PCOS often experience delayed or absent periods, weight gain, and excessive hair growth. Another major cause is endometriosis. This is a condition where the tissue that normally lines the uterus grows outside of the uterus, and endometriosis can cause severe pain, heavy periods, and difficulty in getting pregnant. It can also create scar tissue which may block the fallopian tubes. And blocked fallopian tubes can prevent the egg from meeting the sperm, and this blockage can be due to infections, previous surgeries, or sexually transmitted diseases. If the fallopian tubes are completely blocked, natural conception becomes impossible. And another reason is poor egg quality. As the women age, the number and quality of egg decline. By the late 30s and early 40s, fertility naturally decreases, making conception harder, and thyroid disorders can also impact fertility. Both an underactive and an overactive thyroid can disturb the menstrual cycle. If the thyroid is not functioning properly, ovulation may not happen regularly. And another overlooked reason is stress and lifestyle factors. High level of stress can affect ovulation and hormone balance. Excessive caffeine, alcohol, smoking, and an unhealthy diet can also reduce fertility chances. Being either overweight or underweight can lead to hormonal disturbances and affecting ovulation. And some women suffer from uterine abnormalities such as fibroids or an irregularly shaped uterus. Fibroids are non cancerous growth in the uterus that can interfere with implantation. If the embryo cannot attach properly to the uterine lining, pregnancy will not occur. So, these were the causes of infertility in women. Now, let's talk about the causes of infertility in men. Men are equally responsible for infertility issues in a couple. One of the leading causes of male infertility is low sperm count. A healthy sperm count is essential for fertilization, and factors like smoking, excessive alcohol, obesity, and high stress can reduce sperm production. And poor sperm motility is another problem. Even if sperm count is normal, if the sperm are weak or slow moving, they may not reach the egg. Certain infections and medical reasons can affect sperm movement. Hormone imbalance in men can also affect sperm production, such as low levels of testosterone or imbalances in reproductive hormones can lead to reduced sperm quality. This can happen due to genetic disorders, chronic illnesses, or even excessive use of steroids. Another reason is varicocele. It is a condition where veins in the scrotum becomes enlarged. This increases temperature in the testicles, which can reduce sperm production. It is one of the most common reversible causes of male infertility, and exposure to toxins and chemicals can also affect sperm health. Men working in industries where they are exposed to heavy metals, pesticides, or radiation may have a higher risk of infertility. Frequent exposure to high heat, such as using hot tubs or saunas, can also affect sperm quality. Some men may have genetic disorders affecting sperm production. Certain medications and health conditions can also impact male fertility. Drugs used for high blood pressure, depression, or chemotherapy can lower sperm count. Diabetes and chronic illnesses can also play a role in reproductive health. Now let's talk about some unexplained infertility causes. In some cases, no clear cause of infertility is found. This is known as unexplained infertility. Even after medical tests, doctors may not be able to identify a specific issue. And in such cases, lifestyle changes, stress management, and fertility treatments may be considered. So, when should you see a doctor? If you have been trying to conceive for over a year without success, it is important to consult a doctor without any further delay. Women over 35 of age should seek help after 6 months of unsuccessful attempts. And if you have irregular periods, painful periods, or non reproductive health conditions, do not delay seeking medical advice. Men experiencing sexual dysfunction, low sex drive, or any reproductive issues should also consult the doctor without any delay. So, what are the treatment options? Well, depending on the cause, treatment options vary. For women, medications can help regulate ovulation. Lifestyle changes such as maintaining a healthy weight and reducing stress can improve fertility chances. In some cases, surgery may be required to remove blockages or correct abnormalities. For men, improving diet and reducing alcohol and tobacco use can help. Certain medications and hormone treatments may be prescribed if necessary, and in severe cases, assisted reproductive techniques like IVF or ICSI may be recommended. Friends, infertility can be a challenging journey, but solutions are available. Understanding the causes is the first step toward finding the right treatment. If you or someone you know is struggling with infertility, consulting a doctor is the best approach. Early diagnosis and the right medical guidance can increase the chances of a successful pregnancy. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.